we are going to learn a very important software called spreadsheets. Now, why we need spreadsheets? So, spreadsheets or worksheets are used to enter data in the form of rows and columns, and this data can be used to data sorting or data analysis. Like, I want to check the average marks of a class, I want to check the highest marks in my class, or I want to get the minimum marks in my class. And we can also have a graphical representation of that data by using charts. There are different softwares available in the market to create your spreadsheets, and the major one are Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice Calc, and LibreOffice Calc. So let's start with the basics of that. So I will do this practical using LibreOffice Calc. So click on the start button and just type LibreOffice and see it will come here, LibreOffice Calc here. Once you open that, the software will open like this. So here one of the basic things we have to remember is that the top Untitled 2, where Untitled 2 is written, it is known as a title bar. After that you will find a menu bar. Then you have different toolbars here, standard toolbar or the formatting toolbar. Then this one is known as name box, where A1 is written name box. Why it is called name box? Because it tells us the cell name. Like here the spreadsheet, what is important is that the data is entered in the form of rows and columns. So here A, B, C, D, E, F, these are our columns, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these all are my rows. So here this is known as a spreadsheet. Now here if you see that there is a plus sign and there is one thing called sheet 1 is written. So if I click on the button, the sheets will be added here like this. So as you can add as many sheets you want to add. If you want to rename your sheets, the first thing we'll learn is how to rename your sheet, because that is very, very important. We'll click on the sheet 1 and just right click on this and you will find here rename your sheet. This is one option. The second one is just double click on the sheet name and you will get to know about the renaming of sheets. So let's suppose I have entered like class 10th marks and click on OK. Now see, you can see that it's renaming is done here. So now the next thing here after the name box is your input line, or we can call it as a formula bar. This is the formula bar, or here it is called as input line. When you open Microsoft Excel, there you will find it as an formula bar, right? So all these things are basic things like formatting of data here, right? This is your vertical scroll bar, this is your horizontal scroll bar. We can also have basic formulas here like average, sum. We can do the zooming, zoom in, zoom out, right? So from here you can do the zooming part. And let us try to save this now. So we'll click on file and then save as. So this will save it on our desktop with a name, let's suppose class 10th marks. So this is how we can open a spreadsheet and we can rename our sheet and we can save our sheet. So that is the first step. Now in the next lecture we will learn how to enter data in your Calc or Microsoft Excel, and how to do some basic things on our data. So keep watching. We'll meet